Have you been searching for the perfect pickup truck with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Chevy Colorado LT in black. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, tow package, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 43,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D7093.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.